Hi there, it's Austin from Automatic Business, and I'm here to show you how to make a simple funnel with a simple landing page inside of it. So, to access funnels, you can go to Sites, Funnels, and then New Funnel. You could also create a new folder to put your funnel inside, or you just create it straight in the root folder. So let's just do it from create the funnel from a blank page since we're only learning how to make one. You could create also with AI or from templates. Let's just do it with blank one this time. Let's do this Austin testing. So you need to name your funnel first. And then after that, you're gonna go here to the steps page, and basically steps is just a some pages that a user can go through. Say for example, if the first step or the first page is a payment form, and then the next step will be a thank you page thanking the customer. So something like that. So um, since we're just planning to make a landing page, it's probably just gonna be a one step funnel. So I'll just name the page Austin Testing. So after creating a new step, this will show up, and then you can create your page from an existing page on your folders. Say for example, you already have some funnels inside your Go High Level account. You can choose that, and then you can choose a step from that particular funnel, and then that step will be a new template of your new funnel. You could even select from a website as well, or a webinar. So but for this example, let's create it from blank. So this is uh, the actual UI, and all just you just need to do is you just need to drag and drop some specific elements that you want. Say a headline, like um, uh, Austin testing, and then you could like add an image, it's an elements, and then image, then drag the image there, then add the image, and you could connect your drive. You could upload a new picture. You could add a video and a lot of other stuff here. You just need to explore, and there are also some pre-built sections here that you can copy from, or you could just make it as a template. And yeah, once you're done with that, you just need to save it, and you can just see what it actually looks like by clicking this eye icon here. And then yeah, it just looks like that because I an image haven't added an image here. So it looks like that. But if you actually add an image, it will show up like that. But yeah, that's it. I hope it's clear. I know I haven't actually discussed a lot about the design stuff, but it just really goes down to you using um, the actual tool and exploring all the different things here. You can change the background color, the background image of a particular section, and a lot of other good stuff here. But that's it, and I hope that I've helped you or you've learned something from this video. And thank you, and have a great day.